Hello, tech-savvy homeowners. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into the world of smart home technology and exploring the top 5 best smart window blinds of 2024. With the rise of home automation, smart window blinds offer convenience, energy efficiency, and enhanced control over your home's lighting and privacy. So, let's dive in and discover the latest innovations in smart window blinds that are revolutionizing the way we live. 1. Lennox Serena Smart Shades. Kicking off our list is the Lennox Serena Smart Shades. Known for their sleek design and seamless integration with popular smart home platforms, these smart shades offer effortless control over your home's natural light. With options for motorized operation and customizable schedules, Lennox Serena Smart Shades provide convenience and energy savings at your fingertips. 2. Somi Motorized Blinds. Next up, we have Somi Motorized Blinds, a leader in motorized window coverings for over half a century. These smart blinds feature quiet and reliable motors that allow for precise control over tilt, lift, and positioning. With the Somi MyLink app, you can easily schedule opening and closing times and adjust settings remotely. 3. Hunter Douglas Powerviiew Motorization. Coming in at number 3 is Hunter Douglas Powerviiew Motorization. With its cutting-edge technology and elegant design, Powerviiew Motorization allows you to control your blinds with the touch of a button or voice command. 4. ACCESSGEAR Smart Blinds. For those on a budget, ACCESSGEAR Smart Blinds offer an affordable yet stylish option for smart window coverings. These blackout blinds are designed to provide privacy and light control while seamlessly integrating with ACCESSGEAR smart home ecosystem. 5. ACCESSGEAR Smart Motor. Rounding out our list is the ACCESSGEAR Smart Motor, a versatile and retrofit solution for upgrading your existing blinds to smart blinds. With its intuitive app and compatibility with popular smart home platforms, ACCESSGEAR makes it easy to modernize your home with smart window blinds. And there you have it, the top 5 best smart window blinds of 2024. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more smart home tech reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching and happy smart home decorating.